Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you already know what our club set is, the fun snails to stamp. But you know what? I could not stop with just one stamp set and die set because you know what? My mind was going crazy with all these fun ideas. So I added some more. Are you ready? The first one I added was some more snails because I couldn't get them all on the one sheet, and lots of sayings. So this one's called More Snails to Stamp, and it's fun because it says, "You shall overcome, slow down, recovery takes time, forward is forward, whoops, I'm late, so sorry this card is late, enjoy the slow life, shell yeah," sorry I had to get that one in there, and slow and steady wins the race. Now yes, there are dies to match. This one is a little bit smaller of a set, so the price reflects that, which is really nice, right? And look, you even get that cute little swirl there, that's the little scallop to decorate their shells, which is so fun. Now of course, you know I couldn't stop there. So I added solids and patterns for the snails because those shells just really looked to me like they needed some fun patterns, and of course those solids, because you know, I know some of you don't like to color. I'll get you there eventually, but those solids are nice when you don't want to color and you just want to stamp it and get it done really quick. And that pattern is so cute. It's that fun flower. Now, moving on, because we have a lot to share with you today, a new tri background. Now, chances are you've seen our tri backgrounds and you've started to fall in love a little bit, if not completely, because they're fun because they have 3 different sections, and now we're gonna have interchangeable sections. And let's see if, oh, I have it here, look. So this was our first tri blend. I have all mine in here, so I can't show you all of them because there's some that are sneak peeks. But here's our first tri blend. It had the stars and the moon, the fun swirls, and the bricks. Well, now we're releasing this one. This one is called Cloud Tri Background because now we have clouds with fun little dots around them, a fun big sun ray, and grass. Now the best part about these is these all cut out 3 pieces, right? 3 big pieces plus the sun is lots of pieces. But what if you wanted to do the swirls with the grass? Guess what? You can. What if you wanted to do the moons with the grass? You could interchange these, and guess what? More coming. So that's a really fun system because it's going to build and build and build and build. Now, this Fold It is one that has been so requested, so requested, because I used it in I used my sample in the Mother's Day banner that I made, and everybody has been asking about it, and it is finally here. Are you ready? And it makes the perfect shaker card. Yes. It is the Newport Beach, well, Newport, I call it Newport Beach because I saw this flower in Newport Beach. Newport Flower Fold It die set. And let me tell you, my samples are to die for. For example, no pun intended, look at this gorgeous wreath that Michelle made. Oh, I didn't even open it all the way up yet. How beautiful is that out of our felt? You could make this gorgeous. Imagine hanging this on somebody's door or chair at work. Isn't that fun? I love it. So I'm going to show you more samples. Don't worry, lots of fun. Last but not least, because I really love this one, is a large card size die set that has those fun huge flowers so your little snails can be under the big flowers, and a fun little sign for your snails. Now, you can use this for anything, and I have a lot of samples to share with you, so you're going to see a lot of different ways to use this. For example, here's one. I absolutely love this one. It's our little box it. It's our club Fold It, Ladybug Fold It. But look, it has the little box it on there. It has those beautiful flowers, and it says, "You are a flower in my life." Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, moving on because I have so much to share with you, you guys. Ready? Look at how fun this is with our snails and with our fun flowers. Enjoy the slow life. Look how cute that is. It's like a double Fold It. It's so fun. I love it. Here's another one. Sorry I'm late. Look how cute that is. Happy belated birthday. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this one is. Look at, and that die comes in it too. That big star looking die. So pretty with the leaves. Wishing you a lovely day. Oh, look how pretty this one is on a 5x7 card. Feel better soon. Hope this card will brighten your day and help you feel better in every way. Get well wishes. Love it, love it. That's the Get Well Soon stamps. Here is a cute one. Hugs. Oh, and it's a shaker. Shakers are so fun, and you know what? They're just beautiful. I love it. And this is Hugs. Here's another Newport flower. Smile. Oh, here's one on a card. I love when you can put them on a card too, and scrapbook pages. I mean, so many different ideas, right? Happy belated birthday. Sorry, I'm late. Oh, they're sticking together now. They like each other a little too much. There's a cute one with our little ladybug on it. So fun. Love the extra stitching on it. Here's a shaker. See, look how awesome this shaker is. Isn't that amazing? I know. Shakers are so fun, aren't they? We love them. Whoa, Cheryl made this one 3D ink. I hope the camera can pick up how gorgeous that is with that 3D ink. Absolutely stunning. Okay, try background time. Are you ready? Try background. Look at that. Clouds, sun, and grass. Here's another one. Clouds, sun. Without using the rays, doing a rainbow behind it. Love it, love it, love it. And the grass, you color my world. Here's another one. Look, same background dye. Same background dye. 100% different looks, right? And wait, let's add another one. Same background dye again. 4 completely different looks. Is that amazing, you guys? Look, the same dye over and over again. Here's another one. And oh, let's see. 5. Look, I mean, they're all completely 100% different. You have to love it, right? Here's another one. Again, 2 totally different looks, just changing the theme, changing the colors. Now here's a cute one with that pattern. That's going to allow your snails to have that fun pattern. Or you could do solids if you want to. Here's another pattern with the shells. I absolutely love that. Oh, more flowers. More flowers. Look at that die. Now you can make it a fold it. Look how cute that is, a fold it. You can make it a fold it if you want to, but look at how beautiful that is with that cute little sign. It's buzzing by to say hi. Perfect with the bees, hello, or perfect with our cute little toucan. The toucan is on the website. Perfect with the little toucan, or, oh my gosh, a slimline. Look at that. Is that amazing or what? On a slimline card, life is a garden. If I had a flower for every time you made me smile, I would have a garden to walk in forever. Basket to stamp, picnic to stamp die, and garden to stamp die, and isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here's another one with the flowers. Yellow flowers this time. So beautiful. Open it up. Here's one on a 5x7 card. Look at the patterns on the snails. Our cute little flowers with pom-poms on them. I love it. And then here's the little snails. On these snails, look how cute. They're kind of like hiding. They're like scared or sad or embarrassed that they're late. Isn't that cute? Here's a fun one with that fun pattern on the back. Absolutely love it. And last but not least, a cute one with the little mushrooms. Now, club members, you get the club discount on these, so make sure you get these ASAP. And you know what? You're absolutely, positively going to love them. If I went too fast on any of these, never fear. All of these ideas are on our website and more. So make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and click on gallery, and you can see all of these ideas and so much more. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.